In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Temu with Cash App and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you have the Temu app installed on your phone running the latest version available, and you have some affiliate cash that maybe you want to withdraw by connecting it to Cash App, what you will notice is that if you go over to the Affiliate Program tab and access your affiliate cash, you will be able to see the available amount that you have, the pending amount, and the withdrawn amount. Now, on the top, the only option that you have is to withdraw via PayPal on a minimum of $20. And you will notice that there is no other option related to withdrawing this money. Is there any way to bypass the PayPal withdrawal and maybe send the money to another wallet like Cash App? Sadly, as it stands today, Temu only offers PayPal withdrawals with a minimum of $20. There is no other option to withdraw the money to somewhere else, and besides going to the affiliate program and clicking this withdraw to PayPal button, you will not be able to transfer it to Cash App. The only option that you have is sending the money to PayPal and then sending the money from PayPal to a bank account, which then allows you to input it into Cash App. Besides making this workaround, you cannot transfer the money directly from Temu to Cash App. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the limitations of withdrawing from Temu. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.